Ciao, benvenuti, and welcome back to our channel, Move to Italy Now. If you're looking to move to Italy or looking to start your Dolce Vita, this may be the property for you. We're going to Pettineo today. Yes, it's on the north coast of Sicily, just like we always do. But this one, it's charming, right?
You know what? I'd call it aristocratic. I don't know why, but that's the first word that comes to my mind.
I think it's those balconies. So this one features 3 balconies. It's in a stone building, and all you guys know, the stone buildings just, I don't know, they kind of do something to make your heart flutter.
Something else that probably makes your heart flutter too is the really high ceilings. These are especially higher than we normally present. We usually present 3 meters high. This is at least 3.5 meters high, and it's a slight cove on the top, and
it's really
it's
beautiful.
Pretty cool, yeah.
So you're looking at 69 square meters,
which is 743 square feet.
You did good. You did good. Like I said, 3 balconies, 40,000 euros. And yes, it is negotiable because this is your negotiator.
Mind if I just say something about that, the negotiability of it all? We post at just below market price. These are wholesale prices. All of our exclusive listings are wholesale. It's not like you can call a real estate agency and get a price like that. It just isn't going to happen. That's retail. However, when we post a price, often we'll post a price just to appease the sellers. The kicker is, I know their bottom line. And if you engage our consultancy service, we will help you to get the very lowest price, substantially below market price.
That's right.
I'm sure.
You did well.
Thanks.
So here's what I like about this place. The rooms are beautiful. The tall ceilings actually create a larger feel to this place. There's wallpaper.
Oh, yeah.
And you're going to want to take that down, okay?
Yeah.
But the floors are beautiful.
Hey, wait a second. If you love the wallpaper, put it in the comments. I promise we won't laugh.
But yes, so this is a really cool place.
Yeah.
You're looking at sea views from within the house. Oh, and there's a garage. Okay, so the garage is actually attached to the apartment complex. So you are able to pull into your garage and you can walk upstairs to your place without stepping foot in the rain.
Right.
I like that. But in addition to that, the garage is extra large. So you can partition it off and create a room of your choice.
Lots of possibilities.
Workshop, studio,
Very true. Very
B&B.
There's one more thing I didn't hear you say, and I thought you might have, is that it is situated on Piazza Sant'Oliva. It is right on a piazza, which is extra special, creates a higher value as well.
Yeah. So come with us to Pettineo and let us know in the comments field below what you particularly liked about this place. And if you bought it, what would you do?
Ready?
Andiamo.
Andiamo. So today we're going to tour Casa Pippa, which is short for Giuseppe. Look at this very characteristic stone building here. We're going to enter these beautiful arched doorways here, and we're into the vestibule. Now, I'm going to remark about this first before we go any further. This here is the entrance. There are some stairs deep in here. In fact, let's see if I can show you here. They are right here. This door goes to stairs which go to a garage, which we will tour later. But in the meantime, we're going to go upstairs 1 flight to Casa Pippa, and it is actually the entire floor is the home. So here we are. Notice these characteristic ceramic tile floors. The doors, beautiful custom-made doors here. And now we enter this home, which has a magnificently high ceiling. I'm going to guess somewhere around 3.5 meters high. Look at that floor. Isn't that beautiful? Now, from the front of the house, we come out to a balcony here, and we can see the little piazza with the church right here. Nice looking street here in Centro Storico of Pettineo. And we look down, that street is just so decorative, so characteristic of the Centro Storico in Pettineo. So we enter again these beautiful 8-foot doors into this magnificent room. Now, off to the side at 90 degrees, onto the side of the building is another balcony. See, there's your church there. And we have a beautiful mountain view. At the top of that mountain is Mota da Fermo, way up there. But here's your stone structure. At one point, that doorway was arched before they did some renovations. So we'll enter back through these double doors now. And again, just look at this room. Isn't that something? So all of these rooms have wallpaper on it. And if ever you've removed wallpaper, it's not a pleasant job, but it's something that has to be done. So, you know, I love these double doors leading on into the next room. Look at these things. They were painted, many coats of paint, and it's an oil enamel, so it's going to require a chemical remover or torch. Just be careful because there's undoubtedly lead in that, and you don't want to inhale the fumes. But these doors can be very easily restored. They're in really good shape. We're going to continue in through this room, which, frankly, I'm going to say would be your bedroom because you've got another private balcony off of here. And you get a little peek around the corner, and there's your Mediterranean view. We'll come to that in a moment. You just can't appreciate that view today because there's so much moisture in the air that the sea doesn't look blue. But again, there's your beautiful, characteristic stone building. Okay, and we come through here. I thought we might call this the bedroom because it has a little half bath off the side. And there is a sea view out here, but there you go. I'm going to show you a better shot of that when we go on into the adjacent room. But again, look at these beautiful double doors leading from room to room. Now this room would clearly be your kitchen. It's plumbed for your water for your kitchen. And you're going to want to bring in more electric, obviously, but it's here. And so you have this built-in hutch, which, frankly, again, is worth saving and restoring. Very, very nice. Just want to replace that pane of glass. A glass door. Every one of these ceilings is just super high. And off of here, you've got what has been used as a laundry room. So it's certainly adequate for a laundry room. You're going to want to perhaps reconfigure some things, but it's great for a laundry room. There's your water heat. And they put the shower off here. So if you want to bring it up to standard, I would say this little room off the side, which is a step up and then step down subsequently when you get to the foyer, because of the staircase below, this would make a great bathroom. It's just the perfect size. It's too small for much of anything else. You've already got your kitchen eating area here, your bedroom here with the half bath, and then a gorgeous grand salotto or sitting room, living room, soggiorno, all with these high ceilings. You've got 1, 2, 3 balconies off of here. And then if you just convert this room here into a bathroom, I think you're set. You would be set. And then out from this foyer, of course it is a security building too, which is nice to know. I would replace the panel and put in a 6 kilowatt service here, because there are going to be things you may want to do with this space. But there you have it. Now, in some of these rooms, like this bathroom, if you wanted to, you could drop the ceiling, metal stud frame and sheetrock, and put in flush mount can lights in here. That's a possibility too. This right here could be the first portion of a coat closet inside the front door, and you enter the bathroom from back over there off of the eating area. You don't need a bathroom right here off of the front door. See, so you've got so much room here. You could turn that into a nice large closet, partition it off, and then the rest of this is still an ample size 3/4 or full bath even. Is that what you would do with this space? We'd love to hear your comments on that. Now let's go downstairs and view the garage. So we are now touring the garage, which is attached to this home. And you'll see it's actually quite large. You could easily park one car in here, but all of this extra space is a space for another car. So you can turn it into whatever you want. Gym, man cave, shop, whatever you like. Or turn this into a completely rentable studio apartment. Very high ceilings, I'd say possibly 4 meters, at least 3.5 meters. And this is what I want to show you, which is actually quite unique. These stairs right here, look at those old tiles, lead to inside, and it'll take you right to the foyer when you walk inside the home. So you'll never have to get wet if you're getting out of your car in the rain. You go right up in here through this door into the house. It wouldn't be in your house, you'll be in the main vestibule inside the home. Now, another thing I wanted to show you here is that these are all stone walls, of course, and this plaster comes off pretty easily. See that? Okay, so you could very easily expose these stone walls, tuck point them, pressure wash them, a couple coats of high solids clear acrylic, and you have a very characteristic stone wall all exposed. So something for you to think about. And even at this level, you can see and enjoy your sea view as we walk out. So again, it's a very high moisture content in the air, but there's your sea view right there.
Allora, what did you think about the place? I wanted to say this. If you're thinking about coming out to Italy and taking a tour of some of the places that we have available, you're not the only ones. And if you're looking for the best experience, then please do get in contact with us ASAP. Over the next 4 months, things get a little busy.
Right.
Maybe 5 or 6.
It's starting to really get busy.
It's starting to amp
Yeah.
up, and so try not to wait until a month before or 2 weeks before. If you can, give us a call, and we'll set something up. At least get you on the books, even if it's not set in stone at the moment. That will give you and us the best experience possible.
Please, for your own good, really. And we don't want to blow smoke at you either. Most of these properties that we feature go to you viewers sight unseen because you're savvy enough to recognize a good deal when you see it. There are so many arriving right now, and it's really ramping up, and we're so far yet from the summer. In fact, just this week, we had several of you viewers who came. A couple of you were coming to view your home for the very first time, come and sign at the notaio on the purchase. And we decided to have several of you over to pagliarazzi. Yeah, it was great. We had a nice time.
It was so much fun. We really love spending time with you guys. We look forward to doing it again real soon.
So without further ado, ciao for now.
Alla prossima. Ciao. Director.
In Italian now, in Italian. Come on. Auguri!
Cheers! Good. Thank you very much.
How cool. That's going to look really
Don't
nice.
leave without leaving us a check.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now.